All right, so we got some. What do you think? Bacon?
Are these all foremen?
Oh, God, there's too many foremen on site today. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ivan. Hello.
Yvonne, nice to meet you. Nice.
Handshake.
Regular city workers here.
Yep, regular, yep.
No. What's that?
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Foreman.
Good to meet you. I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. I like it. All right.
Very nice.
All right, it's nice to meet you guys. We're gonna do our work today. We're not gonna slack off.
Don't worry.
Union. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're watching you. We're watching you. Right on. Right on.
Good. Good. I'm glad.
Safety.
How's that doorknob holding up here, guys?
Pretty good, I'd say.
That's level. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, like,
good.
fire escapes only need one doorknob, right? That's code. What do you think? How far do you think that bad boy is gonna go?
Not as far as my dick.
That's funny. Not quite. What is that up there? That ain't up to code. What is that? You see that? Look at a staple that's exposed. See that little staple right there?
Oh no.
Yeah, it's okay. Sorry, I'll get that removed.
People aren't gonna like to see that.
Nope, that's okay. Oh, that's light. That's good. That's I mean, like.
Pretty nice.
Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's a job well done right there.
That was pretty good.
Job well done. So this is a bit of a shame. Our work's been locked away.
They changed the plans on us or something?
I think so.
Just put one down there.
I'm like the Hulk. That's what they call me. That's what they call me.
I don't know if that's a good idea, bud. I don't know if this is a good idea, bud.
That's alright. I'll come back to it.
We're gonna have to get somebody else.
Come back. It's alright. I'll come back to it.
Let's fill it a fork.
Oh, I gotta have my breakfast.
Open it.
Yeah. No,
We
of
can
course.
go check it out.
Don't tell them I did that.
I
That's
won't hear it. Darn.
darn.
We
you know.
we need some union workers in here to
They do.
spruce it up.
Yeah. They should have sent more of us. They should have sent at least like 7 of us.
Yeah, I mean.
That's how you get a union job done.
One to plumb, one to level, one to square, and then one to screw.
One to screw. Well, you gotta have someone hold the screw,
Oh yeah.
and then another person has to drill that screw.
Has to operate the drill.
But like the third person has to help grab the battery from the battery charger that a fourth person was watching.
Yeah.
Because they need to tell the third person when that battery is fully charged.
Exactly.
Exactly. That's right. So
And
you know
then you
how it
also
goes.
need somebody to supervise.
Well, yeah, of
In case
course.
anything goes wrong.
Each task needs to be supervised. So we
Yeah.
need, what, 4 supervisors? And then you need a 5th supervisor to supervise the supervisors who are supervising those tasks,
Yeah.
right? Oh! Whoa! Whoa there! Alright, first things first, we gotta figure out how long this boat is. Alright, so you have to help me with that. Yeah, just, oh, I like that, yep. Oh, we gotta get, okay, well, that's alright, just keep using the tape. Alright, well.
Well, now we'll get the height, we'll get the length and the depth.
At the same time.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright,
so keep going.
Alright.
Okay.
No, it's fine. Yeah, and what, it's good.
Yeah, there you go.
It's good. Just,
Length and depth.
so we got like a 3D measurement of the boat,
Yeah.
right? So we're looking at about like 230, 237.
Not bad. Yeah, I'd say so.
237. So, in the code book, section 12, sub-rule B of...
Taking a nice union set.
I'm jealous. I really am.
You're part of the union. You can sit.
I mean, alright. Well, I don't have a bucket. Usually I sit on a bucket, right?
Ah, yeah.
Look at this window. This is not up to code. The windows aren't supposed to like have a 360 situation going on here. And they especially can't be 24
Jamie.
inches. What?
I can see the foreman.
Oh shit. Okay. All right. Well, we gotta work. We gotta work. Hey, yep. We're working. Okay. I gotta get inside that boat. So we're looking at what is that? I can't read that. What is that down there?
1.
1. All right. So a good depth of 1.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm allowed to get into a depth of 1. It's all right. I'm good. I'm good. Don't. It's fine. Don't
Yeah,
have to
you
fill
sure
it.
you don't?
I'm filling out no form. I'm not getting laid off today. All right, that's all right. Okay. Then just hold my tape. Whoa.
You have your confined space training. It's okay.
Woo! No, confined what?
You have confined space training.
What's
it's
that?
fine.
What's confined space?
Nothing. Never mind. Just keep working. Don't worry.
For this.
I
I don't need fall
don't know what you need for
I don't
this.
even know what fall restraint is. We got some insulation. Is this asbestos? Is this asbestos? Should I be touching this? Hold on.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
You know, you can eat asbestos. It's good for your bones.
Here on these.
That's asbestos. You can tell because it's bright green. It's like a neon green. That means it's asbestos, which means
It's perfect to drill into.
that means Papa's eating good tonight. You know what? I think I need a foreman's opinion on this.
Yeah?
Because, like, I don't know if I'm supposed to eat the asbestos first or I'm supposed to just drill through it. Take your time. Don't leave me down here for too long, alright? I get a little scared.
Okay.
You know, I've only taken my fall restraint.
You definitely can fall from
but
there.
if you ask, you say I took it.
Yeah, I will.
Say I took
Don't worry.
confined space.
Foreman Gavin? Buddy wants an opinion on something.
How's it going?
He's down there somewhere.
Hey, foreman! Working hard. How's it going there?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, so we got some work to do, but there's some asbestos. Now, I don't remember if I'm supposed to eat the asbestos or drill through it first. I don't remember.
You're supposed to eat it.
Okay, so can I section off a spot to not eat? Because there's enough here for like at least 4 people. Yeah. All right, cool. So, now, I can work on a boat, right?
Yeah.
I have clearance. Okay, so I need you to screw me inside the boat. I need help with that.
Okay.
And if you don't mind,
You gotta keep a rope tied to you at all times in case it goes under the water.
What,
right?
really?
Yeah.
What? This is a long rope. Look how far in the water am I going?
Oh, we don't know if you sink, bud. Oh, we're gonna
Depends
get-
how,
There's some pirates now.
Pirates. Oh right. So if I sink,
then I can
She
save you.
swim, yeah, she can swim off.
that's so smart.
Yeah.
Cause you float,
Yeah.
but I get it.
All right, cool. So.
Okay, I need you to level the screw for me in the asbestos. All right. Is asbestos good for the water?
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. Is that how like
Good for the
plants grow?
fish.
Ah, yes. Oh, fish.
It
Fish eat-
contains seeds that helps algae and
clam.
clam.
Yeah, I heard it was clam. Oh, right into the asbestos. Is this good or should this be higher?
I think it's good.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh!
There we go.
Damn, the asbestos really took that. You gotta really give her. You gotta give her. Come on. You gotta give her. Give her. Give her.
Giving her.
You gotta give her.
Giving her.
You gotta give her.
I'm giving her.
You gotta put it in there. Give her. Give her. Give her.
got it.
Give her good. Give her good. That's money. Oh.
Oh, it looks like everybody's back in line.
Whoa there.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, there's no running on job sites, you know. Alright.
No horseplay.
So, we gotta renovate this cabin here, but now we're working around the public. So, you fill your FLRA, right? You got FLRAs in there?
Huh?
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's
I
okay.
heard you said.
No, well, yeah. Is there an FLRA for me to fill out inside? Yeah, there is.
It's inside the stick.
There you go.
That looks about. Yeah, that looks about right.
That
So
looks
like,
great.
what do we got here? Yeah. We got just over 5 feet. 5 feet clearance.
We gotta measure the height as well.
Okay.
So okay, measure,
Well, I need your
measure
tape
across.
measure. I need your
measure
tape-
across.
Okay.
All right. I'll just redo that 1 second for me. I'm sorry.
You got it there? You got
Yeah.
it? Oh. Is that gonna hold? Is that gonna hold steady?
I think so.
That's this is some erotic stuff we're putting up. I don't know how I feel about this, you know. This is
it's the job. We're getting paid.
It's the job. It is the job, you know. I don't sign up for I don't know what I do when I come to work, you know.
Sometimes one day you're working in like a nice Christian church, and then
that's right,
you know the next day you're like, oh, I'm working in a bathhouse today. Okay, that makes sense. I see how it is.
It was not to code.
This is look. He's not wearing a shirt. How can that be the code if he's not wearing a shirt?
No, that part's fine. It's just the cones they were upright. Like, what is that?
Sorry. I'm sorry. We didn't.
I'm sorry. So these need to be like this.
Exactly like that.
So this, okay. Well, is this okay?
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, you make sure this don't fall down. Otherwise, we're getting, you know, more.
I'll watch the control zone. You do the work.
Okay. All right.
Hey, after you guys are done that, you guys want to start working on that door? It's a little bit broken.
Yeah, I'll fix the door. I'll fix the door. And like, I like how the sunlight glows.
Like glows them. Oh shit!
Hey, this is a control. Oh hi, hey Foreman from Wilshire. Hey, nice. Hey, good to see you again. Well, we're setting up a control zone. It's good you came. It's good you came. I can't hear myself think with all this.
But make sure you have good clear access inside and outside for fire.
Yeah, I mean, should I have brought hearing protection?
Yes, make sure you have hearing protection.
I didn't bring hearing.
This is really good.
Okay.
I'm wearing my hearing protection, Foreman. Okay. I can't hear anything. Can you drill this and protect my hearing?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, how am I supposed to protect my hearing?
I'll use my elbows. Here, grab the drill. Yeah, so just, I know you can't hear me, but you gotta make sure it's nice and level, right?
What are you saying? I don't know what you're saying.
I can't hear myself speak.
I'm not sure what you're saying.
I'm protecting my hearing. I'm not wearing my hearing protection, so I have to use the improved hearing techniques that I've learned through school. Hold on, I can
hear everything now.
what's going on here? I'm working here. This isn't level. I gotta work here. What's going on over here? I'm working here.
Just trying to fix the
This
door
is a
here.
control zone, all right? There's codes. Jesus mercy. The monkeys are dangerous, man. I'm working here.
I'm working.
What's going on here? I got a tape measure. All right.
I think we should get out of here.
This is some danger.
The door is now secured.
I'm working. I'm on no one's team. What is this armband you talking about? Hey, we're grabbing the cones. This is a control zone. Control zone, all right? No violence in the control zone. Friendly's inside basic cabin. What's going on over here? This is dangerous. This is friendly's inside. Move it.
I don't think there's very friendly people inside, actually. I don't know.
No friendlies. No friendlies here. No. Nope. That's some danger.
I think that looks a little bit better.
That's safe. Well, yeah, you put a cone in anything, it fixes it.
Yeah.
I'll leave this here just in case.
Looks safe to me. Hey, Foreman, I think we've fixed another problem of yours.
There we go.
It doesn't work.
I've been waiting for these FLRAs to appear, and then I'm being told they're FLHAs, and then I get shot in the face. And then,
what you doing, sir?
And well, Foreman Gavin said that there was an FLRA inside the cabin, and then I'm told they're FLHAs. And if I don't have a permit to fill out things, I don't even know how to read or write, for crying out loud.
I'm pretty sure there's an FLHA and an FLRA.
Okay, so FLHA is it's like the slightly less important one, because the FLRA is about the rated
So we could also put it like right here.
I mean, I honestly think that's how it was supposed to be.
Hold on though, eh?
Yeah, I did look at the blueprints as well.
We got to make sure we don't need fall restraint. You know, this is high up. This is real high up.
I mean, I have my full restraint.
Well, yeah, but do you have your
And
Wimmis?
if I just like,
Do you have your Wimmis? That's the thing.
I may not have my Wimmis, but I have my women.
Well, this tree could be...
I have my women, as in the queen.
You see this branch?
Oh yeah.
Code Rule 33, Section 12, Subrule Z states that that branches that are more than 19 inches long must have anchor points. So,
but did you check the chart 17-53 on the B side?
the B side.
of the
There's a B
book.
side to that.
There's a B side.
Really?
Yeah, there's a B side of the book.
So what does that say?
It's if you flip the book upside down and read it upside down, it tells you different rules.
So then we're good.
So I think if it's 19, if it's longer than 19, but on the chart, it corresponds with the twig rule of having a little bit of fringe on it.
Fringe, yeah.
Yeah, then it's fine.
That. Okay.
It's good.
Okay,
Yeah.
well then you know what? Then well, what do I have here? I got like 169.
Yeah, you're good.
From the tape measure.
If it ends in 69, it's always fine.
All right, well I like the way you think.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not used to going slow. How are you so good at that? Hold her steady, hold her steady. All right, just gotta get a few more in here.
Oh, buddy.
It's okay, it's all right. It's okay, you know, it's all right. We got the control zone. It's here. And you know, I took my Wimmis, so.
Yeah, so you're fine.
I took my Wimmis and code rule B with that word you said that I don't remember.
Side B with the fringe.
The fringe. The fringe.
The fringe.
The fringe. Okay. There we go.
I'm just holding your back for support. I swear.
I hope that better be all it is.
I know, I see
Yeah.
them. What?
Oh, you foreman?
You foreman?
Oh, yeah.
Now we got working around the public, right? So
Yeah.
you know what that's like.
So you got to be respectful to them.
Yeah.
So basically, stay the f there, and don't you dare move. Otherwise, he's gonna drill something into your head.
Don't make me get a ladder.
I may not have a dick, but I'm a little bit scared for my genitalia.
Just gonna hold that there with your foot.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Well, you know, all right there, Sasha. Just gonna. You got one job here.
You're the one that told me to hold it there. All right, bud. No, that was perfect.
Can I get the hammer? We gotta finish our work.
Oh, okay. Here, I got it.
Yeah. Who said you can't hammer in a freaking screw
right,
like that?
a screw.
You know? Like honestly.
Who said you need to screw screws?
Myth busted. Am I right? High five.
Yeah.
Come on, shoot at me. Come on, what are you doing?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. All
I'm a
right.
little bit terrified
This
right
is. This is. I didn't put this in the FLHA. We're talking about a 9 foot by 9 foot. by 15 foot. And if you just go around like this, we're talking
What about the circumference of it?
Well,
Okay, like,
well, look at the circumference.
you know.
You see the circumference of this zone. This is dangerous right here. We're talking about over 24 feet.
Wow.
Over 24 feet of dangerous.
That is a lot of dangerous.
You know, I'll tell you right now, these people are lucky that they're not going around spraining their ankles and stepping on cracks, you know?
Yeah, are we gonna set up a control zone around here?
Yeah, we are, because
you show that cone who's boss. You want some help there, bud?
no. I got
Are you
this.
sure?
I'm a manly man. Hey. That ain't half
How
bad.
does that make you feel? In the pants.
I mean, in the pants, I feel great no matter where this is.
Oh, okay.
So,
I see how it is.
the question is, does that go here? Does that go there?
Let's see.
I mean, like,
let's see.
we have to plan this out.
It says specifically here that you need to have goggles on. So, sir, I'm sorry, but you are not up to code.
Doesn't mean I'm offended though.
Okay.
You're classifying a certain set of eye protection only into goggles.
You know,
And there are multiple kinds.
I was thinking about
Right.
that. I was thinking about that, and you know, you can talk to my foreman. You know, he's the guy. He's got the blueprints.
He
As
knows.
long as you understand that I am personally offended.
Oh, you
and
know,
that
I
you
believe
must
it.
Change your laws based on my.
I feel
Okay.
I feel dirty just putting this thing up.
I'm sorry for offending you, sir.
I'll send a message.
We did not
You've
mean.
already offended, so your stories don't matter.
Oh, darn.
The
Yeah.
offensive have already happened.
All right, listen. I'm gonna file a
My
report.
jimmies are thoroughly rustled.
We can't have that.
It's thoroughly rustled.
We
Why
can't
are
have,
Jimmy's always rustled?
That's in the form. We can't have Jimmy's rustled. Right here. Right here. Not. We don't want to get in the way of this device. This device that is
very beautiful.
you know, this device here. This device, this thing. The 5.5 by 5.5 by 5.5 by 5.5 by 6.
Oh.
We can't have anything impeding the structure, the integrity of the integral system. So, we need clearance. Now listen, we need clearance. We need clearance.
Oh, yeah.
We need clearance.
How much clearance do we need?
5.5. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Beautiful.
Nice and steady. I mean, this flagpole, either the earth is not level or the flagpole isn't level. That's good. That's nice. Hold on there. Hey. Hey. How's it going?
Hey, he looks like a code.
How's it going?
Just making sure that things are safe.
Yeah.
Are you serious right now? Things are safe.
We just gotta make sure we set up a
You
control
can't
zone
have
right
plumb
here.
level square without the
Without the control.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
All right, so.
Yo, you gotta set up the caution netting too.
Oh yeah, yep. You know what? That's why they left it here.
That's why I left it
That's
here.
why they left it here.
Alright.
Are you
Safe-
serious right now?
Safety's key. Safety's key. Safety's number one if you gotta do dangerous work.
Alrighty.
Might as well get comfortable. All right. Just gonna. All right. So I shall hand you the drill. We gotta.
Sorry, this is unsafe.
Okay, yeah, I just gotta make
Yep.
sure I'm safe.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
It doesn't count as a shot. Is it plum? Is it plum?
Well,
Is it level?
well, it's pretty peach. I don't know about plum.
Is it square?
Yeah, that's square.
That's pretty good.
That's
you know
pretty
what?
good.
You want me to
Well,
move?
no. When the bubble's on the right, it's
rectangle,
right.
but-
Right. So
right there, that's good.
that's good. So
I'll hold this for you.
yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty good. What company are you with?
I work for.
Oh, well, that's nice. I'll bleep that out.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I don't think they'd like to be embarrassed.
No, that's not level. What are you doing?
Plum level is square.
That is solid.
Elliot really does see all.
He does.
Came up and he's like,
right now.
holy shit, he's right there.
He's the boss. He's the super.
Hi,
You know.
Elliot.
I am Superman.
I shake your hand, but there's a safety net in the way.
Like Superman.
I'm following the rules, I swear.
There you go. All right. I think we should leave this up for at least 24 hours.
Yeah.
Just in case. So you
Gotta
guys,
make sure.
carry on.
I'm not going back out there. This is
All right.
Do these guys have a permit to leave this zone though?
What?
No, they don't.
24 hours. 20 guys, 24 hours.
Oh shit.
So,
Ah, hit!
well,
Dad, you have to lay down.
at least you're safe. He's hit, but he's safe. That's what matters.
I'm in my control zone. Oh shit. That's beautiful.
There you go.
safe space, guys.
Go, perform CPR, workplace, go!
Get the flag. Go back.
See, we're doing a good job.
I'm getting out.
His brother's teabagging him.
What are you doing?
Prairie Dogs On-Field Renovations is not responsible for any total structural failure after completion, civilian injury, workforce minor injury, workforce major injury, hearing loss, blindness, severed limbs, complete bladder ruptures, knee sprains, forest fires, child kidnappings, growth of foot fungus, spinal dismemberment, explosive diarrhea, cuts to the earlobe, on-site belly button piercings, toenail removal, propane gas inhalement, erectile dysfunction, alligator attacks, corn dog misplacement, chlamydia, armpit lacerations, dental attacks, mac and cheese incidents, sneezing too hard, prolonged weenus development, pinky toe stabbings, and missing elderly. Thank you, and remember, if it ends in 69, it's fine.